Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix the connection has timed out. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go Windows setting. For that, you need to key Windows plus I button. Then click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot. Click on run. Wait for complete. After complete, close this window. Go to the internet properties. Select here connections. Then click on LAN setting. Here you should enable or check automatic detect settings. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Then go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on S. Then type here some command. First on ipconfig flash DNS. Hit enter. ipconfig space /register DNS. Then press enter. Then type here third command. ipconfig space /release. Then hit enter. Then type here last command. ipconfig space /renew. Then hit enter. Then close this window. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.